Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So in this video I've got a page here, but this page is quite dynamic and I've got a little tool here that it's basically a lead magnet, but not something that you've really seen. So this is what I'm calling the fast start calculator, and you can access this calculator, which is your personalized income planner. So when you click this, you'll come to a calculator. So LiveGood earnings calculator. Now I decided to set this up. Well, there were two reasons. Firstly, I've been wanting to set this up for a long time. And secondly, because we are about to launch the ad co-op, the co-op system at LiveGood, I figured that this would be quite a good little tool to have. But it's not exclusive to that, obviously. It's just a general LiveGood calculator. But for a little disclaimer here, guys, this doesn't tell you everything. And I purposely haven't implemented everything about the compensation plan, but there's quite a lot in here, and it does some clever things. But it's certainly not going to give you an accurate result, because no calculator for any system could do that. But it gives you a kind of a rough idea, and the purpose of this calculator is really just to give you your first few steps. It's not going to go crazy and like tell you how you're going to make $1 million. It's really going to tell you how you can get to silver. That's really the purpose of it. So it's not going to, it has its limits. So it doesn't calculate anything beyond silver. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to give you an idea on how to duplicate. So LiveGood earning calculator, what you can do is you can say how many recruits do you plan to sponsor per month. By default it says 3. You can set it to whatever you want. If you think you can do 10 per month. What's your monthly income goal? You can put that up to whatever your goal is. How many members do you think each of your recruits might potentially enroll? You can put that to whatever you want. And affiliate percentage. How many of your team are likely to be affiliates, or are they going to be mostly customers? I mean, when I say customers, they're going to be on the $9.95. That's what it calculates. But they may not want to purchase the one-time $40 to become an affiliate, so they might not be interested in building a business. But by default, it's 100%, because I found most of my team want to come in and grab that $40 because it's only one time and it's for life. So it's up to you. And then you click calculate, and it'll tell you your total earnings, fast start bonus. This is your personal fast start bonus, multi-level fast start commissions. So what you would get if each of those. Because what you've set 10, but then 5 for every 10. That's going to be quite a large team. And your personal matching bonuses, it only calculates your personal matching bonuses. It doesn't take into consideration the multi-levels, or rather I should say the multi-generations, because that wouldn't be easy to calculate. Your personal matrix. So you're going to have a team of about 60, total affiliate 60, because you set it at 100%. And you don't have any customers, meaning you don't have any kind of people who are just on the $9.95 just buying the products. So yeah, it gives you a kind of a suggestion, because you haven't quite hit your goal yet. So at this rate, it will take approximately 2.1 months to reach your goal. But as you change these, play around with these calculations, your results will change. And then it's all branded to you. So then it'll present the LiveGood link so they can join here, and it's all branded to you. So when they click here, it'll go to your link, because the whole point, we're going to give you access to the Rebranded tool, and then you can join Sparky AI, because obviously it's going to give you pretty good start your journey with LiveGood, get your tools, supercharge your marketing with Sparky AI, and follow the 7-day fast start guide. The great thing about Sparky AI is it's going to deliver you leads, and Sparky is going to help you to close those leads. That's the purpose of Sparky, and it does a very good job of that. And then you can print that out. So the 7-day fast start guide, it gives you a complete 7-day training access, 7 days. So it's a pretty cool system here. And it also links out to the pay plan. Even if you're logged out, you'll see the pay plan and the rank qualifications as well. So that's really the purpose of the tool. And then obviously what we have here is we have so it's all inside the Prosperity Marketing System. So if you want to get access to the Prosperity Marketing System, click on the link below, become a student. You can take the free trial but you can access this once you're a proper member, and you'll also be able to access the Rebranded tool. So you can just put your LiveGood username in there, your Sparky AI username, click generate, and the URL will generate, and you can copy it to clipboard, and then you can set up your own funnel here, because we will give you the funnel. You'll get the share code, and it teaches you how to what this all is, but it's just the share code for Leads Leap. So this is a Leads Leap share code, and then you can generate the link so that you can add it to your Leads Leap tool. But the video tells you about how to rebrand the special calculator tool that you can add to your Leads Leap funnel. So it's all in here, and you'll be able to access the rebranded tool within the Prosperity Marketing System. So, you know, if you access the Prosperity Marketing System on the link below, you'll be able to get inside, and it's $12 a month, guys. You'll get so much here. I mean, this is not the only thing you'll get. You'll get the share codes for a lot of stuff. You'll also get my training, the essentials guides, my full-blown video training. This is what I put together. You'll get a lot of stuff. You're just going to get a whole full-blown library of stuff that I'm just adding in here. Funnel share codes, essentials guides. You'll get the AI tools, the AI training, the AI essentials guide. You'll get the access to the rest of the funnels. So you've got more funnels here and a lot of stuff. But yeah, there's so much here, guys. So you'll get access to it all, and I'm always adding to it. So just adding new stuff. So anyway, hope you like it. This is the funnel that you're going to get if you want to be a part of this. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Get on the link below, and you can play around with the calculator anyway. I'll put the link to the calculator so you can have a play and see what you think. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.